So we did a broth with chicken and vegetables. Here it is. I showed you how to do the broth for vegetables only. This time we did it with chicken, and we will use this chicken to do the recipe of chicken with orange. We put a really big pan. We chop an onion and 2 apples. Everything done. A little bit of olive oil. A little bit. You turn on the fire and you put this inside of this. Also you put a little bit of herbs and laurel. Toma ya. You wait for 10 minutes so you can take a siesta. So we are doing kind of a stir fryet of apples and onions. We put the chicken inside the stir fryet. So we put 2 cups of broth inside the chicken. Oh la la. Yeah. Amazing. So now we are going to throw a little bit of wine on it. Yeah, to give it a little bit of magic. So now we're going to put 2 orange juice inside the chicken. And this is going to do the touch. Because it's chicken with orange, otherwise would be only chicken, the title of the video. Chicken orange. Cleaning the mess that I did. Okay. Yeah. A little bit of salt. Patro, un poco solo, Venga. A little bit of herbs. Herbs a la Provençal. This is Mediterranean, Toma ya, venga. And that's it, let's let it here for 10 minutes. All the flavors will mix each other. It's going to be a fantastic dish that will surprise your partner. Yeah? To complete the dish, let's boil a little bit of rice to complement the chicken with orange. So this would be the result. Poulet à l'orange. Chicken with orange and rice.